Okay, today I'm going to show you our utility knife cutting cardboard, just to show you that it does function. I'll move it forward. I'm going to lock this in place by pressing down. You may have to pull up a little on this, but it's locked in place so this doesn't move. Now I'm going to cut cardboard. As you can see, I cut the cardboard. Cut it again. And I'll cut it again. So there you have it. It does cut cardboard, and it does function as a utility knife. So in order to move this again, you can press forward. You can slide it up. You can slide it all the way up and change the blade out. Slide it back. Lock it. And unlock it, slide it all the way back, and lock it in place. So there you go. Available at 3dproductsfortomorrow.com. Thanks for watching.